Now that we have understood कि when two matrices can be multiplied, we will try to understand how to multiply them. So when to multiply you have understood, but now we are going to learn how to multiply. We are taking example of two matrices whose order is 2 into 2. So first I will be teaching you only 2 into 2, and later on I will teach you the different varieties. The first will be the basic variety which comes in the exam, that is 2 into 2. Now suppose A is having elements A11, A12, A21 and A22. Therefore the order of A is 2 into 2. Similarly, B has elements B11, B12, B21, B22. Both are of the order 2 into 2. Now you know what is the meaning of A11? First row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, second row, second column. Similarly, first row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, second row, second column. So now both are of the order 2 into 2. So now AB, we are writing both the matrices next to each other. In matrices, you have to write the matrices in the order in which they have given. If they have written A into B, you have to write A first and B next. If they say BA, you have to write B first and A next. In normal multiplication, 2 into 3 and 3 into 2 is same, but not in matrices. In matrices, you have to stick to the order which they have given. A into B is A into B only, and B into A is B into A only. Now how to multiply? Now it follows the row into column method. Now row multiplied by column method. So see carefully, this is very important. See how the multiplication is done. The first element of the first row is multiplied by the first element of the first row of the second matrix. That is A1 B1 is multiplied by B1 1. A1 1 is multiplied by B1 1. A1 1 1 is multiplied by B1 1. Then plus then A12 is multiplied by B21. So see the arrows to understand the flow of the multiplication. A11 into B11 plus A12 into B21. Then we go to the, if there is a second column, we have to go to the second column and follow the same procedure. A11 into B12 plus A12 into B22. So once again, A11 into B11 plus A12 into B21. And for the second column, A11 into B12, A12 into B22, and addition in between. Same procedure for the second column. Second row. A21 multiplied by B11 plus A22 multiplied by B21. So row column method. Same way for this next column, A21 multiplied by B12 plus A22 multiplied by B22. So easy to see, A11 into B11 plus A12 into B21. Then going to the second column, A11 into B12 plus A12 into B22. So both the rows are over, both the first row, both the columns are over. Now the second row, A21 into B11 plus A22 into B21. Then A21 into B12 plus A22 into B22. It is confusing when you see it in 1-2 form, but when you see the sum, it becomes very simple. So I will take a example.